Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. I featured the same glass nail shiner in my salon style manicure at home video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. About the brand, I could not find any official website. I also visited the website mentioned behind on the packaging, but I could not find this particular product. Where did I buy it from? I bought this from an online store called Amazon.in. They ship all over India. Do check out the description box for the shopping link. Product packaging. It comes packed like this, in a paper with a clear PVC front window on the top. Cost and lifespan of the product. I paid 399 rupees, and as for lifespan, such a product is supposed to have a long shelf life. Claims of the product. On the packaging it mentions, nails become shiny right upon use. Shine lasts long with only one use. Shiner is made entirely out of glass. Shiner is kept conveniently as it is in a portable case. And guys, don't forget to check out all my nail related videos. It is a must watch for beginners. The ingredients. As per the information, this is made entirely out of glass. How to check the quality of the product. I could not find much information about glass nail shiners, so I'm just going to mention my basic check. Please check out this video for more information. How many sizes are available? So far, I have come across only one size and shape from this brand. How to store the product. This comes with a sturdy plastic case with a cap. It is best to keep the shiner in the case to prevent any damages. Please check out this video for more information. My experience with the glass nail shiner. Personally, I have used this product for over a few months. And the first thing I want to mention is that I love the size. It is so compact, and the second, that it is a one-step process. The design is very sleek and minimal, no frills at all. Since it is a one-step process, it is very easy to use. Just needs a bit of time. It is very travel friendly as it is small in size, and the shiner is also not very fragile. And as for the effect, well, for me it lasts for almost a week, and that depends on the wear and tear factors. The only negative side of this product is that anyone with yellow nails can't use this, as it does not remove the yellow color, it only gives shine to nude nails. The shiner has two sides, a smooth side and a textured side. The textured side is used to achieve the shiny effect. Please to check out this video for more information. I've already covered the points here. Pros and cons. It is a bit costly. It is very travel friendly. It has a sturdy plastic storage case. It is supposed to be lifelong. No logos printed on the packaging. Could not find any info on the PETA page or also on the official website page. It is easily available for me. My rating. Ease of usage, I'm going to give it a 4. Storage and maintenance also gets a 4. Value for money, I'm going to give it a 3. Overall rating also gets a 3. Will I recommend this product to my friends? Yes, I will recommend this glass nail shiner to my friends. And guys, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!